Hello, guys. Welcome to class. Today we are going to be looking at square root of a compound surd, and I have a question which says we should find the square root of the surd 31 minus 4 root 21. Okay, solution now. What are we to do with this question? Now, remember, we are looking for the root of this particular surd, compound surd. Now, what we need to do is the first thing is let the root of the surd be root of x minus root of y. Now, I chose root of x minus root of y because here it is 31. It is 31 minus 4 root 21. Supposing it is 31 plus 4 root 21, then I will choose the root to be root of x plus root of y. So that is the reason why I'm picking root of x minus root of y, because it is 31 minus 4 root 21. So please take note of that, okay? Now, if we say that root of x minus root of y is actually the root of the surd, it therefore means that the square of this root must be equals to 31 minus 4 root 21. Now, if we say so, then we can now start expanding. Now, this we are going to have root of x minus root of y into root of x minus root of y is equals to 31 minus 4 root 21. Expanding further, this root of x times root of x is x. Then root of x times minus root of y is minus root of xy. Then I'm going to still have minus root of xy. Then root minus root of y times minus root of y is going to be plus y. Now this is equals to 31 minus 4 root 21. Now rearranging it, I have x plus y minus 2 root of xy is equals to 31 minus 4 root 21. So the next thing to do is to actually compare the terms, okay? Now I can pick the constant term. Look at this is constant. Look at this. That is, it doesn't have surds attached to it. So I'll equate them. So I'm going to have x plus y is equals to 31. This is equation 1. Then the other one will be minus 2 root of xy is equals to minus 4 root of 21. Now, if you check it very well, dividing both sides by minus 2, this will go and this will be 2. So I'm going to have root of xy is equals to 2 root of 21. Now, it is not enough for me to leave it like this. I will square, okay? I will square both sides. Now, on squaring both sides, I'm going to have xy is equals to 4 into 21. So, xy is equals to 84. This will be my equation 2. So, I'll solve it simultaneously. Now, going further, this is what we are going to have. X plus y is equals to 31. Then xy is equals to 84. Now, this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So, from equation 1, we can have it as let y be equals to 31 minus x. I just made y the subject formula. Then I will now substitute. This one should be my equation 3. I will now substitute 3 in 2. Now this is what I'm going to have. I will have x into 31 minus x is equals to 84. So this is 31x minus x squared is equals to 84. Now rearranging it, I'm going to have x squared minus 31x then I have plus 84 is equals to 0. All right. Now, since I have this, I will now work this, or I will solve it quadratically. Now, I'm going to look for this, which is going to be plus 84x squared. So I'll look for two factors of 84x squared that will sum up to give me minus 31x. And the factors are minus 28x and minus 3x. All right. So minus 28x times minus 3x give me my plus 84. So I will continue. I'll replace it now like x squared. Instead of minus 31, I'm going to have minus 28x, then minus 3x, and I have plus 84 is equals to 0. Then this is going to be x into, I have x minus what I have here is 28. Okay. Then minus, I'm going to bring 3 outside. This is going to give me x minus 28 is equals to 0. So I have x minus 3. Then I have x minus 28 is equals to 0. So finding x minus 3 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 3. Then x minus 28 is equals to 0 implies that x is equals to 28. So I have two values of x. But remember, I have equation 3, and my equation 3 says y is equals to, let me not, okay, equation 3, y is equals to 31 minus x. Therefore, I cannot continue. When x is equals to 3, my y will be 31 minus 3, which is going to give me 28. Hence, I'm going to summarize this as 3, 28. Okay. Then the next one, when x is equals to 28, I'm going to have y is equals to 31 minus 28. So y is equals to 3. And I'm going to summarize it as 28, 3. Now, I have two possible solutions. The first one, in summary, I have 3, 28, and I have 28, 3. These are the things that I have. So therefore, remember, okay, recall that the root is root of x minus root of y. Okay, so if I pick the first scenario, which says x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 28, then the root will be root of 3 minus root of 28. This is what I'm going to have. But you can break it further. This is root of 3. This minus, of course, this is root of 4 times 7. So it's going to be root of 3 minus 2 root 7. So this is the final thing. That is when I pick this. Now, on the second side, if I decide to pick when x, that is the second option, x is equals to 28 and y is equals to 3, then I'm going to have root of 28 minus root of 3. And just like I did the first one, this is going to be 2 root 7 minus root of 3. So that is the answer. But sometimes you can actually summarize everything so that we are going to have maybe root of 3 plus minus root of 28. Or you can just say root of 28 plus minus root of 3. Of course, you know, this is the same thing as saying root of 3 plus minus 2 root 7 or root of or 2 root 7 plus minus root of 3. So that is how to actually do it. Now, this is how to find the square root of a compound surd. It's very interesting. So don't forget to subscribe, keep watching, and keep learning.